Alright guys, so in today's video I am giving you a few downsides to having thicker locks. Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so here are a couple of downsides to having thick locks. Now listen, I love my hair. I love it, I love it, I love it. But there's just some things that I cannot do that ladies with low density hair can do. And the first thing that I cannot do is getting a proper bun. I cannot put my hair up in a proper bun to save my life. Okay, now I've seen a few lock stars that have low density hair that have the same length as mine, and they're bunning it up. They can put it in a nice top knot bun, and I'm sitting over here just fuming, jealous because I cannot do it. So that's one thing that I cannot do with having thick locks. A bun. I want my bun. Alright, so the next thing that I cannot do because I have thick locks, and it goes along with the first thing, is putting my hair in a ponytail. So I cannot put my hair up in a bun, and I cannot put my hair back into a ponytail because it is so thick. I want a ponytail, okay? I want to do a ponytail, a nice little pony. I want to have my hair shaking around. If you guys see here, I have this little struggle pony that I tried to complete, a couple months ago. I know I'm pretty sure it is grown, but I don't have hang time. I want some hang time, okay? The next thing is installing lock jewelry. Now, if you watched my previous video, I like to install my lock beads to slip them right through up onto the lock versus threading them in. I'm not comfortable with threading my hair just yet, but I found an easier way to just slip them through the lock. Now, I cannot put any hair beads into my hair because my locks are getting thicker. They're thicker, they're thickening up, and I'm not complaining about it, but I want some lock beads, y'all. I want to get some lock beads. I want to wear some lock beads. So that's one thing that I cannot do because of the thickness of my locks. Alright, so the fourth downside to having thicker locks is that they are really rebellious. Now, I'm not saying that only thicker locks are rebellious, but because I know all locks are rebellious, but thicker ones are like hard-headed, okay? They just stick up here. If I stick this one up, it'll probably stay sticking up, But with people that have the low density, if you gather their hair up and then let it down, it just falls straight down. They have that body, I think, more so. But with me, it's stiff, and that's kind of annoying. Which brings me to the fifth thing, the stiffness and the shrinkage. So my hair is really stiff, and it shrinks a whole lot. And especially in the morning time after I take my bonnet off, it's just so mush and just it looks like I have a helmet on my head. Seriously, it does. But yeah, that shrinkage is a beast. See, my hair, I don't know if you guys can see it because I have this black shirt on, but my hair comes down a little bit past my collarbone on the side, so I'm getting some length, but you guys cannot tell because that shrinkage. Now, I know that people with low density hair, they also deal with shrinkage, but I don't think as much as people with high density hair. Alright, so I wasn't going to let you guys go without giving you guys some upsides to having thick sister locks, okay? Because there are definitely some upsides to having thicker sister locks. And the first upside is we don't have to worry too much about bunching and slipping. Okay, now I'm not saying that there are no worries at all because we do experience bunching and slippage, but I don't think that we experience bunching and slippage as much as people with low density hair. I really don't. If I'm wrong, comment down below, let me know. Another upside to having thicker locks is that scalpy look. We don't have to experience that scalpy look like the ladies with the low density have. Now, when they get their reties done, you can see a lot of scalp because they have that thin hair. But with people who have high density hair like me, when I get my reties done, it doesn't look as scalpy as someone that's low density, which I like. It makes my hair look fuller because I do have a fuller set of hair. Alright, the next upside to having thicker locks, and this is only my belief, I don't know if this is true or not, but I believe that people who have high density, thicker locks, they lock faster versus people who have thinner locks and that are low density. I don't know why, but I just feel that my hair will lock quicker. My 4C, 4B hair will lock quicker than someone who has maybe a 4A or a 3C hair. Most definitely, I think so. And again, if I'm wrong, comment down below. Okay, and one other upside to having thicker locks is just the fullness. And I think I mentioned that earlier, but the fullness of my hair is coming through, okay? It looks so full and just so nice. Now, I'm not bashing or downing anyone who has low density thin hair, but with like, you know, the thicker hair girls, yeah, it's gonna look more fuller or appear more fuller, which is a good thing. All right, so if you have high density hair like me, could you resonate with some of the things I said? Are you going through the same thing? And also, if you have low density hair, do you guys agree with what I say? If not, comment down below. What do you think? If so, comment down below. What do you think? Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you later.